Hey, Amaya, it's Mrs. McGovern. Say, I have talked to a couple people about your Chromebook and sharing screens or presenting. So I'm going to make you a quick video and then let me know, maybe tomorrow we could give this a try. So right now I just opened up our Google Meet and I'm going to click join now. I'm going to move myself over here for a minute. If you see the present now button, which I know you said you saw, so I'm going to click that once. And then this is where I didn't ask you. Hopefully this pops up and you can click your entire screen. So you're going to click that once. Then this is going to prompt you with what you want to share. You just need to click anywhere in there. See how that blue box came up? And then click share. And then whatever I click will then start sharing. So I wanted you to maybe try, I'm going to stop sharing here. So I guess that's what I wanted you to try. Go to that present now, click entire screen, or tell me if maybe this screen doesn't pop up. Let me know if that pops up. If it does, come over here. You see my cursor right here. I'm just going to click. Then the share option pops up. I click that. And then, like I said, once it kind of gears up, I'm ready to go and I can share. All right. So I'm going to send this video to you. And like I said, you can try it on your own, or you can try it tomorrow or whenever you come to class next. All right. Thank you. Bye, hon.